How to quickly delete all liked videos on YouTube. So if you want to quickly delete all liked videos on your YouTube, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your YouTube application. Once you open up your YouTube, now you just need to simply go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you go with profile, now go with settings, which is on the upper right. Once you're here on the settings, now you just need to simply go with a setting, which is history and privacy. Tap on manage all history, and you need to go with the interactions option, which is on the upper right. Once you're under the interactions, now you'll have video likes and dislikes. Tap on it, and now you'll have all of the videos that you've liked. So what you need to do is just simply go with the right side, which has that cross option. Simply tap on the cross and again tap on cross and again do that. So in this way you can simply continue it, and once you've done that, your liked videos will be deleted. So that's how you can quickly delete all of your liked videos on your YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.